Earth is spinning. We do not feel it, but our planet is moving at an incredible speed every second. Near the equator, Earth's rotation can reach about 1,670 kilometers per hour. Cities, airplanes, oceans, people, everything is silently travelling with this rotation. But now, imagine the impossible. Strange data begins appearing inside scientific research centres. Earth's rotation is slowing down. At first, only slightly. Then, clearly enough that no one can ignore it. Satellites record the anomaly. As the planet gets closer to stopping, the real danger is only beginning. In the first seconds, people do not understand what is happening. Birds change direction, and an eerie silence fills the streets. Because even if Earth slows down, everything on its surface still wants to keep moving at the same speed. The atmosphere, buildings, vehicles, and people all become part of a massive, violent motion. Within moments, the wind stops being an ordinary storm. It moves through cities like an invisible wall. The oceans do not stop either. Their enormous mass begins moving toward coastlines with terrifying force. For some coastal cities, this would not be just a flood. It would mean the map itself being redrawn. Power grids collapse. Communication systems, transportation networks, and city infrastructure begin breaking down at once. People try to escape underground into subway stations, basements, and the strongest buildings they can find. But why would all of this happen? Because Earth's rotation does much more than create day and night. The movement of the atmosphere, ocean currents, wind systems, and climate balance are all connected to this rotation. If the rotation completely stopped, one side of the planet would face the sun for too long, while the other would sink into darkness. On the daylight side, temperatures would rise, roads would burn, soil would dry, and cities would become almost unlivable. On the night side, the opposite would happen. The cold would deepen, streets would freeze, and heat would become a matter of survival. Hospitals, shelters, and emergency services would no longer deal only with injuries, but with the consequences of a collapsing world. Rescue teams would struggle to reach flooded streets, rooftops, and broken transportation lines. Within the first 24 hours, humanity's biggest question would be simple: where are we safe, and how much time do we have? Every region of Earth would face a different disaster. Some places would flood, some would freeze, and some would burn. If the planet started spinning again, life would not return to normal immediately, but at least time would begin moving again. But what if this did not last only 24 hours? If Earth stopped forever, could humanity really survive?